If you're looking to customize your Salesforce reports and make them work for your exact needs, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to tailor Salesforce reports to extract the data you need in just a few simple steps. First off, let's start with the basics. To customize reports in Salesforce, you'll want to use the Report Builder. This tool allows you to change the layout, add filters, and customize your columns to give you a report that makes sense for your specific use case. Next thing, let's talk about choosing a report type. Salesforce gives you different options for reports: tabular, summary, matrix, and joined. Each of these is useful depending on the data you're working with. A tabular report is simple and just lists the data, whereas a summary report allows you to group data, and a matrix report lets you look at it in 2 dimensions. Make sure you pick the one that works best for your data analysis. The third thing to know is how to add filters. Filters let you limit your report to specific records. For instance, you can filter by account owner, date ranges, or custom fields. Adding the right filters will help you focus only on the most relevant data, making the report more meaningful. Now, let's get into customizing the columns. This is where you can choose exactly which pieces of information show up on your report. You can easily drag and drop fields to reorder them or remove ones you don't need. The right columns will ensure that you get the most important data at a glance. The fifth thing to keep in mind is adding groupings. Grouping helps organize your data into sections. For example, if you want to group opportunities by stage or accounts by industry, grouping can give you that insight at a glance. This is especially useful in summary and matrix reports. Moving on, let's talk about report charts. Salesforce allows you to add visual charts directly to your reports. This can give you a quick visual representation of your data, which can be a huge time saver when you're analyzing trends or performance. Choose the right chart type, like bar, line, or pie chart, depending on the data you're working with. The seventh thing is exporting your reports. Once you've customized your report to your liking, you can easily export it to Excel, CSV, or PDF formats. This makes it easy to share the insights you've gathered with others or just keep a copy for your records. And lastly, let's look at scheduling and sharing your reports. Salesforce allows you to schedule reports to be sent to you or others automatically at set intervals. You can also share the report link with your team, making collaboration a breeze. By now, you should have a good grasp of how to customize Salesforce reports to fit your needs. But here's the catch: if you want to try out Salesforce with some exclusive bonuses, use the link in the description below to start your free trial today. This offer won't last long, so don't miss out. So, if you're looking to make your Salesforce reports more effective, customizing them is the key. You now know how to add filters, groupings, and even charts to make your data more actionable. Remember, you can access Salesforce for free and get some awesome bonuses by clicking the link below.